In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Teachable course. We'll walk through the exact workflow inside your Teachable admin dashboard so you can structure your curriculum, polish the course details, set the right price, and confidently publish. Start by logging into your Teachable admin dashboard. From the main navigation, head to Products, then choose Courses. You'll see your course cards here. Locate the course you want to work on, whether it's already published or still in progress, and open it so we can set up the learning experience. Go to the Curriculum tab. This is where your course takes shape. Add sections to create your high-level modules. Think of these as chapters that group related lessons. Inside each section, add lessons. Lessons can include videos, text, downloadable files, or a combination, depending on how you want learners to engage. Keep each lesson focused on one outcome to make progress feel rewarding. If you've added items out of order, no problem. You can drag and drop sections and lessons to rearrange them. When you're ready to make edits, click Edit Curriculum to adjust titles, upload content, or refine the flow. A helpful tip here: name sections clearly and use consistent lesson titles so students can quickly find what they need. Next, customize your course information. Add a clear subtitle that complements your main title. Write a concise and compelling description that tells learners what they'll achieve, and upload a thumbnail image that reflects the topic and your brand. A high-resolution image helps your course stand out on your school's catalog and builds trust with potential students. Keep your description student-focused: what they'll learn, who it's for, and any prerequisites. Now set your pricing. Choose whether this course is free, a one-time purchase, a subscription, or a payment plan. Free is great for lead generation. A one-time price keeps things simple. Subscriptions work well for ongoing content, and payment plans lower the barrier for higher-ticket courses. Pick the option that aligns with your content and your audience. You can always revisit pricing as you learn what works best. Before you publish, click Preview. This shows exactly what your students will see, including the curriculum structure, lesson pages, and course sales page. Use this view to catch typos, confirm media plays smoothly, and ensure your course layout is intuitive. When everything looks right and you're happy with the experience, click Publish Course to make it live. That's it. You've set up your Teachable course. With your curriculum organized, details polished, pricing set, and a final preview complete, you're ready to welcome students and start teaching.